Amazon Great Indian Festival, just the one that customers across the country, millions of customers, hundreds of millions of customers wait for every year, is upon us. So it starts on 27th of this month for all customers, and Prime members get early access, 24 hours of early access. So for them it starts on 26th of September. We have amazing deals across top brands. We have almost 25,000 launches coming from top brands, from mobile phones to electronics to TV to large appliances, fashion and beauty, health, personal care. Across these categories, you'll find deals that you have never seen before. You'll also see something like your flagship Android device. You'll find lowest price of the year. On iPhone, you'll find great prices. For example, iPhone 13 is going to go on 37,999, which has never been at that price. Mac, if you look at Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, again it will be 69,999. So amazing deal across the board. On fashion and beauty, there'll be 50 to 80% discount. On electronics and accessories, there'll be up to 75% discount. On Amazon Fresh, a lot of products will start with Rupee 1. There'll be crazy deals of Rupee 1. On Amazon Bazaar, which is our new store for ultra affordable fashion and home, you'll have deals starting from 8 rupees. There'll be deals at 8 rupees. There'll be deals starting from 40 rupees. So from your large TV and television and double door refrigerators to most affordable fashion and home products, from 1 rupee to to all the way, we have all the offers available. Again, just reiterating, starting on 27th of September for all customers, and for Prime members starts on 26th of September. We are very excited. We have a lot going on with the Prime members. Our Prime members, if you look at it, that has been our fastest growth of Prime members this year. We have added, we are adding actually at a very huge clip. And for the Prime members, we're bringing deals, not only deals, we also deliver to them faster than ever before. So this year we are delivering to Prime customers same day delivery, which is almost double the number that was the year before. So we are very excited about it. We also have Prime member shopping edition, so which is a new, I would say, format of where you can use it just for shopping. Otherwise, Prime members, a Prime membership is a multi-dimensional benefit, but we have made it very affordable for our customers, and that's why we are seeing a huge uptick of that. We are also seeing that there is a lot of focus when customers buy large appliances, TV, those products, refrigerators, how to get the installation done. So we have come up with a unified delivery. So across a very large set of cities, you order your product, it will get delivered to you, and on the same day, together with the product delivery, you'll get your products installed, demonstrated, everything done together. It's being appreciated by our customers a lot, so we're looking forward to getting a lot of that delivering to our customers. I think that's all that I have to add.
So please हिंदी में सर, हिंदी में आप
क्या खास है सर
छोटा एकदम
तो क्या खास है इस बार की?
पीछे हो जाओ
इस बार की
सही से खड़े हो जाओ।
इस बार